Good morning traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down the complete pre-market prediction for Nifty using global cues, sentiment data, and our support resistance levels. Let's dive into what the market is indicating for today. Key support or resistance levels. Our levels for today remain as follows. Resistance levels. R1:26 250, R2:26 308, R3 26,366, R4:26 424, R5:26 482, R6 26,540 support levels. S1 26,134, S2 26,049, S3:25 964, S4:25 879, S5:25 799, S6:25 719. Keep these levels marked. They will guide your intraday decisions. Global market overview. Let's look at how the global markets are shaping sentiment. Nifty, minus 0.15% flat negative. Minus 0.83% negative. Asia, minus 1.28% very negative. Europe, JOR 0.36% flat positive. USD INR, JOR 0.01% flat positive. Crude oil, minus 1.67% very negative. What this means? Weakness in Asian markets and Dow futures is pulling sentiment down. Europe closing slightly positive is the only supportive signal but not strong enough to offset global weakness. Crude correcting sharply is positive for India, but it may not be enough for a strong opening. Overall outlook, flat to negative. Technical position of Nifty. Yesterday Nifty closed near 26,197, sitting just below R1, 26,250. With global pressure overnight, the market may struggle to reclaim R1 in the morning. If selling continues, Nifty may drift towards S1 at 26,134. So the early trend will depend on whether we stay below or reclaim 26,200. Expected opening scenarios. Scenario, flat to slight negative opening, most likely. Expect opening around 26,150, 26,200. Immediate support, S1 at 26,134. If S1 breaks, watch 26,049, S2, as next target. Scenario, weak opening with sell pressure. If Nifty opens below 26,150 and fails to bounce, downward drift toward 26,049 25,964. Negative global cues support this view. Scenario, surprise flat to mild positive opening. If Nifty opens near or above 26,200, it may attempt to retest 26,250, R1. Rejection from R the 1st of May restart downside momentum. Only above 26,250 we can consider bullishness for the day. Intraday trading plan. Bearish plan, primary bias today, sell below 26,134. Targets, 26,049 25,964. Stop loss, above 26,107. Bullish plan, only if market recovers, buy above 26,250. Targets, 26,308 26,366. Stop loss, below 26,220. Neutral plan, avoid trading during first 5-8 minutes. Let market pick direction. Avoid chasing gap downs. Final prediction summary. To summarize, Nifty direction for today, flat to negative bias. Asian weakness. JOR Dow in red. JOR crude fall equals cautious sentiment. Nifty likely to open around flat to slightly negative. Watch 26,134 on the downside and 26,250 on the upside. Breaking either of these levels will decide the trend for the day. Conclusion, that's your complete pre-market prediction for Nifty. If this helped your trading, hit the like button and subscribe for daily analysis.